Every day, nearly 1 billion Africans, more than 70% of the continent's population, have no choice but to cook their meals with polluting fuels such as firewood and charcoal. The cost is enormous. Cooking generates about 20% of sub-Saharan Africa's climate emissions and poses severe health risks and economic burdens, especially for women, children, and the lowest income families. Household air pollution from cooking with traditional fuels is Africa's second leading cause of premature death, more than malaria and HIV or AIDS. Despite the magnitude of this issue, clean cooking receives less than $150 million a year globally in philanthropic support, about 1% of the funding required. But a full transition is within reach. The technologies and tools to achieve this are accessible today. To accelerate this transition and ensure the most vulnerable are not left behind, we need two things: strong enabling policies and sufficient financial resources. The Clean Cooking Alliance is working with national governments in Africa to make this happen. Our mission is to equip governments with the tools to design and adopt effective policies and programs while mobilizing international funding. The Ending Cooking Poverty in Africa initiative empowers national governments to lead locally owned and sustained transitions. Universal access to clean cooking by 2030 is achievable and will enhance billions of lives and reduce climate, health, and energy inequity globally. Together, we can pave the way for a cleaner, healthier, and more equitable future, because no one's life should be limited by how they cook.